I am going to be documenting my journey of how to build an AI automation agency up to $10,000 per month over the next 90 days. So my name is Bashar Katu, and if this is your first time to my channel, welcome. I own an educational platform, BJK University, that has a mission to impact 1 million lives by 2030 through empowering families with skills they can implement to make income online. About a little over a decade ago, I started as an Amazon seller after having lost my previous business to a fire, restaurant that is, no money to recover the damages, no insurance to recover the damages, finding myself in $150,000 in debt. 4 years into selling on Amazon, I started helping a couple people just because they reached out and asked what I was doing. They started getting results, and I realized, there's a business here that's parallel to what I'm doing. I'm doing this, I'm successful at it, I'm teaching people, I can build a second income, and I can actually impact people's lives, help them improve their financial future. And I actually, felt fulfilled from it. And a couple of years into it, I realized that's actually my passion. And so in 2021, I sold my Amazon business. I invested into my top Amazon students' businesses, and then they became the coaches into my Amazon program. They became the coaches. I became the face of BJK University. So my main focus was building the education platform. And then since the first day, my goal was to provide people different skills. So for the first 3-4 years, selling on Amazon was great and everything was amazing until today it is. But early 2025, we started thinking about what is the next skill that we should launch to help people make money online. And the more I started researching, we deployed 7 research teams that went out there, spent tens of hours researching, came back with 5 different things. 2 of them actually agreed on the same thing, which was AI, helping people make money with AI. The question kept on coming back, how do we help people make money with AI? And what came back was helping people to implement AI automations in small businesses to help them make more money, generate more leads, generate more from the leads they're already generating, automate repetitive tasks and so on, and get paid for it. So pretty much an AI automation agency. Think SMMA, social media marketing agency, but now it's an AI automation agency, similar structure, similar style. With the power of AI, one person can actually be serving, a dozen different clients across the world and get paid $2,000, $3,000, $4,000, $5,000 a month per client. In fact, we have several of our students right now who have 3, 4, 5 clients that are paying them each, $500,000, $2,000 per month. We launched this program October of last year, and the more I started kind of looking into this entire thing, I started realizing that the world is going AI first. Just think about everything you've done up until this point today so far. What you're going to come to realize is that you have leveraged AI, or the thing that you did has been touched or disrupted by AI, or will get disrupted by AI, or you will use AI to do this one thing in the next 6 months. And so just like the internet, anything that we do right now, we use the internet. The AI is the same thing. It's going to touch and disrupt everything that we do in life. And so what I realized is, instead of becoming a company that provides people different skills they can make money, they can leverage to make money online, like trading stocks, like real estate, like whatever, what if we go AI first? So become an AI driven company, an AI powered company, and then through AI we can actually help people with different skills. And so I realized that, okay, if that's what we're going to do, then we're going to focus on AI. We're going to make everything AI powered. Okay, great. But then there is something on top of that, and that is small businesses. And small businesses need AI. In fact, there was a study done, I think like 7-8 months ago by Harvard. Businesses who have been able to successfully implement AI were able to double their income. They're 2x more effective. However, 95% of small businesses that tried to implement AI did not succeed. Only 5% succeeded. And there's 33 million small businesses in America alone, meaning 31 million have not been able to implement AI successfully. So what we want to do here at BJK University is certify AI operators, become AI specialists. Then the second layer, place AI operators into those small businesses. And then later next year, I want to build a marketplace, kind of like a Fiverr or an Upwork, that where small businesses and AI certified operators by BJK University can find each other and get deployed in those companies. And then our goal is to scale our company to be valued at $1 billion by 2029, because one of my goals is to become a billionaire by 2030, and I believe that will help me get there. So that's kind of a little bit of a background about me, our company, what we're trying to do. Now, if you want to learn from us directly, become a certified AI operator, click the link below. There's a short presentation that'll walk you through how that works, and you can learn from there. We've got a community that's got almost 100 people in there right now, and we only take on about a dozen new students per month. Now, to get back to this, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to actually go out there and leverage everything that we are learning inside of our community to go find my first AI clients and deploy our skills in their businesses and scale this agency to $10,000 per month, our promise is that we guarantee you land your first paying client in 90 days. And if we don't, we'll work with you for free until you do. Now, that client could be worth $500 a month. It could be worth $5,000 a month or $50,000. On average, our students land their first client in 87 days. Over the next 3 months, over the next quarter, our goal is to reduce that number to about 65 days. And then we're going to continue, obviously, improving that, the program and the deliverable and stuff like that. So what I thought is, okay, what I want to do is I want to test how well this works and how well the services get deployed in these businesses, and then which business actually benefits the most from our tools and our, kind of what we're deploying here in our services, right? Because remember, the second layer to the cake that we're trying to build is placing these operators that we're certifying into small businesses. Right now, we're teaching the operators to go find their own clients, and we teach them obviously how to land them and all that kind of stuff. But then the next layer is we actually get the business, and then we match the operator with the business. So in order for us to build this thing, the certifying of the operator thing, I partnered up with an AI expert. I'm not an AI expert. We run BJK University on an AI, but I partnered up with an AI expert. However, education is something that I've been doing for the last 5-6 years, so I know how to get people results. I know how to build offers. I know how to do that. Generate results for small businesses, I don't know how to do that because we've never done that. And so I'm going to be building that myself, and then Q3, we're going to be scaling that. So in order for us to build this and scale it later, I'm going to be the guinea pig that's going to go out there and find these businesses. So you're going to come along the journey with me over the next 90 days. Kind of my quarterly goal is get at least up to $10,000 and land at least 3 clients, right? So you're going to come along the journey with me as I build the offer, as I find clients, as I talk to clients, as I get them enrolled, as I fulfill on the offer, as I do all that. And then to fulfill on the service, I'm actually going to tap into the pool of operators that we have already certified. We have, I think at this point, less than 100 operators that we have certified over the last few months that we've been running this. We've been running this first class. We opened enrollment October 28th. First class started November 3rd. And we've run 5 classes, I think, since then, or 4 classes or something like that. So it's been about 4 or 5 months now. So I'm actually going to be finding the clients, the small businesses, and then I'm going to match them with operators that we have certified, and then build a process, along the journey. So that's essentially what I'm going to be doing this quarter, Q2, which is April, May, June. And I'm going to be making videos every single week on how this works, why I'm doing it, how I'm doing it, and so on. So this is essentially video 1 of the series of what I'm trying to do. Now, I don't want to just kind of give you the vision. I actually wanted to give you what I've done so far. So I'm going to just walk you through briefly what I've done. But next week's video is going to be more about the entire process so far, how I built the offer, what I did, who I'm targeting, why I'm targeting them, and so on. Today, I'm just going to give you like a 3,000-foot overview of what I'm doing. Next week, it's going to be more about going deep down. I'm also going to be recording calls that I'm going to be having with these clients, so that way you could see exactly what's happening and come along the journey with me, handling objections live and showing you kind of what I'm facing, right? And I'm also going to be selecting 3 different industries that I'm going to be going after. I'll give you my kind of why I chose those industries, what's the offer, how much I'm going to charge them, and then I'll give you obviously live feedback on like who's saying what's going on, and so on. So I'm going to just kind of jump into my screen real quick and just show you what I've come up with so far, how I've generated my first 60 leads, and then also what my plan of attack looks like. Something that you have to understand is that I am using AI for everything, right? And what I like to do is I like to use ChatGPT alongside Claude, and what I do is I literally put them next to each other and I ask them the same exact questions, right? So for example, I'm going to pull this thread up, and I'm just going to show you kind of what I'm doing here, right? And I'm literally just asking them the same question, and I get, I kind of like match exactly what's happening, and then I go about it this way. So the very first thing is like, hey, which market I should go after and why I should go after this market. And then from there, I ask about offers. I went to building offers. And then from there, I went into building, hey, which city or state I should begin, right? Which one should be my first one, right? What is the lead strategy? How can I scrape my first lead, right? And so on. And so just understand, I am using AI to build an AI offer. And if I'm not, I would be pretty freaking dumb not to do it, right? And so now what I'm kind of doing right now is I am actually going through, I chose home services, medical clinics, law firms, real estate, and auto repair. And so these are industries. Within those industries, I chose a sub-industry, HVAC, dentists, and general repair. I am choosing 3 kind of sub-industries to go after because my goal is that I find one, right? But in order for me to find the one, I want to test a few. I decided to have them all in different industries simply because I want to see which industry does better, right? And what I'm looking for is a few things. Number one, which one I can get the first yes the fastest, which one has enough pain and enough money, right? Because, with our programs, we'll get people that, let's say, live in India and, they have maybe their salaries like $10 a month, right? There's obviously a lot of pain for them to make a change. But unfortunately, our programs vary between $4,000 to $10,000. Someone with $10 just isn't going to do it, right? So just because they have the pain doesn't mean they have the financial power to make the investment. With us, you're going to see that the offer that I'm offering them is about $5,000. And so not only do they have to have a strong pain, they need to have the money to do it, right? So I'm going after businesses that already have the pain and have the money to do it. The second thing is I talk about, like, how do I get leads? And then I'll share a little bit more about this in the next video. And then I go over kind of like what is my pitch? Again, I'll walk you guys through this in my next video. Then how I kind of open my questions, how to do a diagnostic, because in the beginning you want to, the method that I'm choosing is scraping leads on Google, just literally google.com, and then doing outbound calling, right? So I'm coming up with what is the opening, how to actually get them to say yes the first 10 seconds, and then diagnosing their situation. And while I'm diagnosing their situation, I'm digging the pain. And here I built myself a calculator, which I'll share with you guys. This next week. Okay, I just realized that I'm actually only recording this page, so I'm showing other screens that you guys can't see. And then I came up with who the avatar is. So this is avatar right here, right? And then what is the pitch? And then this is the deliverable. So what I'm delivering to these guys, and I thought to myself, because there's 9 different things that we actually offer our students. Again, I would have to stop the recording, go pull that up in our community, whatever. But there's 9 things that we teach our students on how to apply. What I am doing is I am focusing on the one kind of like the lowest hanging fruit, and that is lead capture and conversion. Meaning, these businesses already have leads coming in, right? All I need to do is I know that they're probably missing out on at least 20 to 30% of these inbound leads that are not being converted. I'm going to build a system that captures these missed calls, these missed leads, and convert them. Because the thing is, that means they don't have to pay any extra to capture new leads. They're already getting leads, and I'm going to help them generate a higher ROI on the leads that they're already getting. So that's the solution that I'm going to be offering. A 24/7, no missed call AI system that gets set up in 72 hours, which is a voice receptionist, SMS and email follow-up, direct booking into their calendar. Plus I follow up with unanswered leads for 5 days later, and I build them a dashboard. And then once a month, I get on a call with them to diagnose the system and see how we can improve it and so on. And then I'm kind of building offers for later, how to because at the end of the day, you want to increase LTV. That's how you can build your business. It's all about CAC to LTV ratio, meaning CAC is customer acquisition cost to lifetime value. If it costs you, say, $2,000 to acquire a customer, but over the course of a year, you're making $20,000, that's 10%. That's a 10x. That's a great freaking margin. But if it's costing you $2,000 to acquire a customer, and over a year, you're making $2,500, very profitable. So you're always looking to improve the LTV, lifetime value of a customer. And I really think about 12-month LTV. Now, this is the offer. It's $5,000, which is $2.5K upfront, $2.5K in 30 days, as long as we deliver X. And then that gets obviously agreed on. And then it's $1,500 per month that gets charged day 60. Again, I will give you guys more details on this on the next video. I just wanted to kind of walk you guys a little bit through high level, what I'm thinking, how I'm thinking about it, and to kind of build this foundation. And then the next videos, I'll walk you guys through the offer, why I chose it, why I'm going after this market. I'll show you guys the leads, how I chose the first 60 leads, how I came up with them in literally a matter of minutes. And I just shared another screen that you guys can't see. Okay, my bad. Again, I'll share with you guys this next time. And that literally generated 60 leads in a matter of 15 minutes, cost me $0, and how you guys can too. But outside of that, listen, if this is your first time to the channel and you want to kind of join me on this journey, subscribe to the channel, turn on the notification, and I'll see you guys on the next week's video. Take care.